Sean Brace here with Skull Shaver, and today we're going to check out the Palm Shaver. The Palm Shaver is a cordless shaver powered by a lithium-ion battery that gives you 60 minutes of runtime. The top of the shaver has an LED light showing you the charge. Green means it is good. When the light turns red, you have less than 10 minutes of operation left. The Palm Shaver comes with a 3-head CR3 blade. Each of the shaving heads pivots and flexes, allowing the blade to contour to your head or face. The shaver's design gives you a couple of options for grips. You can hold it in between your fingers like this, making it convenient to shave the back of your head. Or you can hold the top of the handle like this, which is convenient for shaving the top of your head, sides of your head, or your face. With the shaver, you can shave dry or you can shave wet. The unit is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower. Included with the Palm Shaver, the nose and hair trimmer tames those unwanted hairs. Each Palm Shaver comes with a USB cable for charging. Simply plug this side into the back of the shaver, and the other side into any USB port from a computer, battery pack, or the optional wall adapter. The Pitbull and Palm Shavers have blades that are easily replaceable. Simply hold the blade, turn the blade 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and pull away from the main unit to separate. To replace the blade, simply insert the blade and turn 1/4 turn clockwise to lock the blade into place. The CR3 blade has 3 heads that pivot and flex to contour your face or head. To clean your CR3 blade, separate the blades and just rinse underwater. While you are shaving, the design of the blades will capture the hair inside the blade chambers. To get the best performance and to keep the blade as sharp as possible, we recommend rinsing while you are shaving. To keep the blades clean and sharp, you can use the optional available rinse stand. To rinse the blades, simply turn the shaver on and dip the running blades into the water. Let it run a few seconds and the blades will push out the hair clippings. If you're looking for a convenient, smooth shave in around 90 seconds, check out the Palm Shaver from Skull Shaver.
So I just got a new 5-in-1 kind of grooming kit. I use it pretty much just to shave my head and sort of like trim up my beard area, but there's a lot of other really great features and uses for it as well. It comes with, like I said, not only the 5-blade shaver, but it comes with a couple different scrub brushes, a really soft one, and then a silicone head one that you could use to sort of like exfoliate and massage your face. There's also a trimmer here to kind of clean up your sides. With that side trimmer, there's a couple different length guards. If you wanted to go ahead and trim up your beard, you could do that as well pretty easily with this machine. This last one here would be for like nose and ear trimmers. They all go in the exact same way, which is pretty simple. You just kind of sort of line up the notches. And then kind of just press in, just a little tug, make sure, check it out. Charging is really easy. It charges via USB, which is cord provided. Just go ahead and line it up, plug it in. You'll see that it lights up. This one's already fully charged. When you get about an hour charge out of these, which is great because it's plenty of time to shave your head, beard, clean up, whatever you're doing, a good couple times out of each charge. The last little feature on here is a little flip up blade. That way, if you want to go ahead and line anything up while you're just using the razor, you don't have to detach this one blade. So let's put this back in. I'm in need of a head shave, so I'm going to go ahead and use this as a wet shaver right now. I just use it under the faucet, so I'll go ahead and get it wet with my head, and I'll show you guys how quickly this goes and how smooth it is. Green light comes on, we'll go ahead and start. Just like that, after a couple passes and washes through, it is a really great and easy, super quick and convenient way to shave your head, your beard, your face, whatever else you're going to be shaving. I'd really recommend getting this one. It makes that daily chore really simple.
Skull Shaver, the power of a smooth, clean shave in the palm of your hand. The Pitbull Skull Shaver has a battery life of 90 minutes. Its blades conform perfectly to your head to ensure no nicks or cuts, and they give you up to 90 shaves. All this in a smoothly shaven head in just 90 seconds.
You can do that?
And the cleanup? It's nice and easy because it catches all the hair without getting everywhere. And it rinses just like that. Don't be rough, be smooth.
I love it. As soon as you try it, you're gonna love it too. So I've been shaving for about 8 years now with one of these guys, and I've always had a problem with getting little nicks and cuts. And I saw an ad for Freedom Grooming, this guy. And I've never really had much luck with electric shavers, but the reviews look really good, and it has a 30-day trial, so I figured why not? This has changed the game. It has made shaving my head so much easier, and I love it. So no more cuts, no more walking around with the bloody head. It doesn't hurt the skin, and it's waterproof. So as you can see, I'm right here in the shower, ready to get busy. And it's super easy to clean. You just pop one of these things open and rinse it underwater, and you're done. All right, so looking good, feeling good, nice and smooth. Job well done. No cuts, no bloody head. I'm happy.
No. 7-head razor. First, we're gonna use the clipper heads. Get majority of the hair off. Pretty good. Now that we have my beard shaved, I want to keep my mustache, so we're gonna put a guard on this head, and the 7D head is actual flexible to your face. You can tell. Kind of curious to see how it works. Wow. Getting a really close shave because it's able to adjust to my skin.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new 5-in-1 grooming kit. Our 5-in-1 razor is going to come with all the attachments you'll need. It's going to include a 4D floating head, sideburn trimmer combs, facial cleaning brush, nose trimmer, and a facial massage brush. It also includes a USB cord so you can easily recharge your razor. This head shaver features a high-performance removable 4D 360-degree rotating shaver head that fits comfortably to every angle of your face or head. You can easily shave some of the other hard-to-reach areas like your cheeks, neck, your chin. This head shaver features a double-loop floating net that captures more beard hair during shaving. It makes shaving faster and cleaner. This men's electric shaver is fully waterproof. You can even shave while bathing. This head shaver adopts a new updated intelligent LCD display system. It will even tell you how much battery power you have left or how much more you need to charge it until it's fully complete.